Okay, for roll call loadout, we'll start with the counter system. Then we'll go to day at a glance. Then we'll reach over here at the top, click roll call. Press whatever roll call. And we send out reservation. After we send out reservation, hit OK. Hit OK again. Again. Then we go up to the top right corner, select operation. Will be loaded out. So we'll be loading them out. Then we go back over to the left top corner to information. Here we'll get driver's license number and pickup person. So in this case, we'll type in the driver's license number. And click OK. Click it again. If any of this is red, then you speak with a sales lady and they can help you. Just for a printout, if you need to print the receipt for the customer, you'll click print and it will print out into the front sales office. Then you return the day at a glance. Then so now we'll go to the mobile workforce, hit fulfillment, click on the will call loadout, press the contract, you load them out for each item, count out. Next task is here you go to the contract number for signature. Here you would have them sign and press submit. In next task, it'll take you to back home.